Hi everyone, welcome to a new nail video. Today I'm creating a dandelion design, inspired by that soft, delicate moment when the flower has already bloomed and the seeds are ready to drift away. I applied a soft, dusty sky blue with a calm, natural feel. It's forming the perfect base for this design. I've set aside a small amount of black polish, so I can easily pick it up with a dotting tool for precise details. I placed one small black dot using the dotting tool. Then, with a fine brush, I gently dragged it out to create a soft, delicate stem. With a clean brush, I softly drag the dot outward, diffusing the color. This creates that delicate, dandelion-like effect. I mixed white polish with top coat, using mostly white, to create a softer, fluffier look for the dandelion. Next, I apply a layer of blooming gel. This will allow the color to softly spread and flow for a natural effect. Then I apply the mix of white and top coat with a fine brush. Be careful not to use too much product, or the color will spread too much across the entire nail. I clean the brush and gently soften the lines I just created, blending them out for that soft, airy dandelion effect. Make sure to work outward from the black center. I applied a top coat to seal the design and give it a smooth, protective finish. I created this design using gel polish. I'll list all the products I used in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what kind of design you'd love to see, and I'll see you next time.